Hey guys, I'm back at my grandma's house, and this is going to be a video of 2 out of 5 JCPenney CECs. This is installed in my grandma's room. Alright, I'll pick up the phone and give you a closer look at it. Alright, here's a better view. It's got really lovely pull chains. It's got pretzel-shaped brackets, G vents, gloss blades. The blades are reversible oak to walnut blades. There's the top shot of the fan. Alright, I'll place the phone back down. Alright, now I'll demonstrate it for you. Here's the light. Here's low. Alright, here's medium. Alright, here's high. Here's a better view of it running. Alright, thanks for watching.